Okay, so if you're like me and you bought a RadWagon 4, probably right about now at 1,000 or 2,000 miles in my case, you're wanting to nickname your bike Buyer's Remorse. I feel ya. So today I was changing out the freewheel and chain. Sorry, ordered both from RadWagon, and failed to mention that you need this from them, which is a very special freewheel removal tool. And the reason why is because any other freewheel removal tool can't get past this gigantuous plug. Theirs, on the other hand, can come through like this. So here's the other fun bit that they left out. If you start to crank this like that, right, you're going to hear this clicking sound. Hang on. That. No matter which direction you go, you'll hear it. All right? Well, right now, this one's brand new, so you're not going to hear it going counterclockwise at this moment. But anyway, just believe me, you will. So, what they failed to say, this little sliver they give you, because before you put this down, come here. You want to put this metal piece back in, okay? So make sure to be careful and line it up exactly with your splines. Hang on, I'm gonna put the phone down. Okay, so there we are. You can see, right where that is. Okay, so now when you put this tool in here, now you can actually get a very tight grip. You will no longer hear that clicking sound when you go counterclockwise to take off your old freewheel. It will be very tight, so it'll follow all the other videos I'm sure you've already looked up. So just be careful not to smash your hand into something when trying to get it off. But that's the piece of information they never tell you. So have fun. Hope you buy a different brand of bike. But if you've already settled on this one, hope this helps.